Hey there, animal lovers. Have you ever wondered what life would be like if monkeys lived underwater? Well, today we're diving deep into that wild imagination. Hold your breath because things are about to get splashy. First off, let's imagine our monkeys. These aren't your average tree-swinging primates. These monkeys have evolved to thrive in the water. Picture sleek fur, webbed fingers and toes, and a tail that's perfect for steering through the currents. Their fur would be water-resistant, like an otter's, keeping them warm and dry in the chilly depths. Now, let's talk about their home. These aquatic monkeys would live in lush underwater forests of seaweed and coral. They'd build intricate nests in the seagrass, similar to how they create nests in trees. Schools of colorful fish would dart around them, and maybe even a friendly sea turtle would join their communal gatherings. Can you imagine the vibrant underwater community they'd create? Feeding time would be an adventure of its own. These monkeys would forage for sea plants, small fish, and crustaceans. With their nimble hands, cracking open a clam shell would be a piece of cake. And think about the teamwork. Just like otters, they might even use tools to gather food. A rock to smash open shells, or sticks to dig out tasty morsels from crevices. Communication would also be fascinating. Instead of chattering in the treetops, these monkeys would use a series of underwater clicks, whistles, and even body language to communicate. Imagine a monkey clicking its way through a coral maze to call its friends for a feast. And hey, maybe they'd even develop their own underwater dance moves for fun and courtship. Of course, living underwater comes with its own set of challenges. Predators like sharks and larger fish would be a threat. But with their agility and intelligence, these monkeys would develop clever ways to evade danger. They could hide among the coral or use their camouflage skills to blend in with the surroundings. And what about their social lives? Just like land monkeys, these aquatic ones would form tight-knit family groups. They'd groom each other, play games, and even have underwater wrestling matches. The bond within these groups would be strong, ensuring everyone looks out for one another. So there you have it, a peek into the wild imagination of monkeys living underwater. It's a fascinating thought experiment that shows just how adaptable and clever these creatures can be. While we might never see monkeys diving through coral reefs, it's fun to imagine what could be. Thanks for joining me on this underwater adventure. If you enjoyed this dive into imagination, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wild and wonderful animal tales. Until next time, keep dreaming and exploring.